Hi guys, here we are. We're in our backyard and we're going to show you this Ruvup retractable hose reel for a couple years we've had now. So we've got it bolted to the post. Jim has it on there.
4 bolts screwed in. And then this is a little handle. Sit back so I can.
So it comes off for winter storage.
Yep. Now if I can get it back on.
So Jim bought this on Amazon and it's still retracting super smoothly. We're in Wisconsin, so every winter he brings it in and puts it in storage, just like we do with all of our hoses and our nozzles. And I really think this helps it last longer. It's a 5/8 inch hose with 100 feet to reach, and it has a 6.5 foot lead hose. So it covers a big area without me dragging or us dragging the hoses all over the yard. And the best part is the rewind. After watering all day, I just guide the hose back and it winds up so neat and tidy in the casing. No tangles, no twisting, and it has that slower, safer retraction so it doesn't whip back at you. It also locks at any length, which makes it easy to stop right where you need it to. And the reel swivels so you're not fighting the angle as you move around garden beds or the driveway. Plus it comes with a 10 pattern nozzle, so you can go from gentle watering to rinsing things off in seconds. Home sweet home tip. If you want your yard to look instantly more polished, get the hose off the ground. This keeps everything looking clean and put together. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.